Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Very excited about this video. I just went ahead and bought myself a GoPro Hero 9. So here it is, just came earlier. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see our first impressions on it. I was trying to get myself one for the last few months and I wasn't sure if I should take the 8 or the 9, but I decided I should go ahead and just take the 9, as it got an improvement, a good improvement over the 8. It now has a front display and a better battery life. So let's go ahead and open this nice box that GoPro provided for us. And inside you have SD card, some stickers, subscription to GoPro which I already took, and some manuals. I went with the bundle as it made more sense for me. Of course I will take more accessories after I test it, and if it's a good fit for me, of course I'll take more. So this is their own I think they call it selfie stick, if I'm not mistaken. Doesn't really matter, it has a floater. So if you use it in water and you drop it, it will keep your camera not sinking. So let's leave this here for a second. We have some mounts that you can put on your helmet, or on your bike helmet. Let's put this on the side as well. Some screws. We have also a backpack mount, which is very sturdy and it has a great power. And inside you have some rubber teeth, and the actual spring it's very good. So let's put this on here as well. We have also a charger for our camera. It's just cable, sorry. So it's USB to USB-C. Let's put this one on the side. And we have also 2 batteries, which now GoPro is saying that provides 30% more battery life than the previous model. So make sure I'm gonna go and test that, as a lot of people are claiming. But until you make your own test, nothing's set. And this is the actual camera. Let's see, how can I take it out? Okay, put this on the side as well. So let's go ahead and take this protection out. Okay, so this is the camera. Let's go ahead and start it. Or maybe before that, maybe we'll try to put the battery in. Okay, how do you open it up? Like this. Yep. Let's put one battery in. is gonna be, is it like this? Yes. Then just press it, then press the button. Very fast. Okay, let's see some settings. Here you have the mounts for your camera. Okay, English. Legal stuff. We're gonna agree with them this time. Turn on, tag your footage with location, speed, altitude and more. On. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Okay, we're gonna do that next. And after connecting to the actual app, you can start using the camera. So if you swipe down, you can go into settings, you can go to preferences. You have some settings around here. You can set it as you want it to. Connection, you can connect it through wireless to your phone. If you swipe like this, let's see, it's going back to your desired, to your photos and videos. And here you can go back. Let's see if we press this one. Hyper smooth boost maximizes video stabilization with tight cropping. Okay, let's see this one. Not sure what exactly that one I did, sorry, but this is my first GoPro ever, so I'm actually learning how to navigate through it now. So let's take the grid off because I really don't like it. Let's see. Here you can set your resolution. I'll put it to 4K. You can set up your frames per second. Let's see. Go back to resolution, lens wide, hyper smooth boost, duration no limit, hindsight, timer off. Then you can set up your ISO, you can set up your sharpness, your color. You need to go out and test it and see exactly what best suits you. Okay, so this camera, which now has a bigger display than the older one, it's because the whole camera is now slightly bigger and wider and thicker, and that's because it also provides you with a bigger battery, which GoPro claims that it will give you 30% more. Then you have the front display, which before it wasn't a full display, it was giving you just the values. Now it's a full display, a color one, which is quite good because you can actually see yourself when you're filming and you can have a sense of what exactly it's happening. It's of course still waterproof. You can dive in up to 33 feet. Then you have this detachable lens, which in the previous Model 8 you didn't have it anymore. You had it up to Hero 7, and then they decided to not put it anymore, but now it's back, and that's very good news, because you know, if you are quite active and you end up scratching it, you can just change it straight away. This time you have a resolution of 5K. The previous one had 4. The front, the camera, it's actually now 20 megapixel. Before it was 12. With this one you can shoot 5K, 4K, 2.7. Then you have also more pixels with this pro quality 20 megapixel photos. You can also have like an add-on which is called max lens mode. You'll need to buy something off their site, add it to the camera. The stabilization got improved. Now it runs the 3.0. It's called Hyper Smooth, and it also has in-camera horizon leveling. So if you'll end up doing like this on recording, you'll still have the same horizon. It will not flip over, which is very good if you are doing mountain bike or swimming and the camera is doing like this. If you're gonna watch it on the laptop or a computer, it's not gonna make you dizzy. It's gonna be very level. And you can also use slow-mo with the speed of up to 8, and has also 240 frames per second with this slow-mo. Then you have the acceleration. It's now improved and it's called Time Warp 3.0, and you can improve the quality of your footages. Then you have hand sight, which can capture up to 30 seconds of footage before you start recording, which is very, very helpful. Even if you press the shutter button too late and you need to go far away to film yourself, you'll still end up doing just fine. Then you have live burst with it as well, which is recording a second and a half before and after you actually shoot, which is very, very nice, because sometimes, you know, that split of a second can miss very good details of what exactly you are trying to capture. You also have, you can stream it to more platforms. You can also do live with the camera. And yeah, I'm gonna need to go out and test it. On paper it looks and sounds very, very good, but you know, not everyone has a very good experience with these cameras, as a lot of people were complaining about the screen freezing or not being too responsive to the touch. Or let's see, you see, now it's disappearing when you want to press something, but I'm to be honest, I'm not bothered up by that. So yeah, and that's about all from me today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, please press the like and subscribe buttons, and I hope I see you in my next videos. Thank you.